Hello everyone, we are given y double dash plus y dash minus 2y equals to 0 with initial conditions y of 0 equals to 4, y dash of 0 equals to minus 5. Let's solve. Put y equals to e to power lambda x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now again differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now put deep values in this equation. Now take e to power lambda x common. After solving, we will get a quadratic equation lambda squared plus lambda minus 2 equals to 0. Taking lambda minus 1 common, lambda equals to 1, lambda equals to minus 2. We know y1 equals to e to power ax is the one solution and y2 equals to e to power bx, second solution. Adding both y1 and y2, we will get third solution. These are our solution. We are given initial conditions y of 0 equals to 4, y dash of 0 equals to minus 5. So we will use this initial condition in this equation. Y equals to c1 e to power x plus c2 e to power minus 2x. So put y equals to 4, e1, put x 0, we will get this equation. Let this equation 1. Now use second initial condition y dash of 0 equals to minus 5. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Plus c2 y dash equals to c1 e की power x minus 2 c2 e की power minus 2x. Now put y dash minus 5 and x 0. After putting values, we get this equation. Let this equation as 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2 to get values of c1 and c2. Now subtract equation 2 with 1. So c2 will be equal to 3. Now put this value of c2 in any equation 1 or 2. So we will put value of c2 in equation 1. c1 minus 6 equals to minus 5. c1 will equals to 1. These are the values of c1, c2. Thank you. See you in the next video.